right now I'm parting my hair because I want to do box braids, and every time that I do my hair in box braids or any like protective style like that, I like to part my hair like the night before I do it, because that way when I'm like doing the braids, like I can just untwist the little thing and then start, because it's already parted. And yeah, I think it helps me. I think it definitely makes the process go by faster, but it's also an extra step. But I think it's necessary for my hair texture. So another thing that I did that's like making this whole process go by just a little bit easier or whatever, detangled my hair in the shower with conditioner, like slathered conditioner, and now parting it. That makes, I think, the process go just like a little bit faster, even though, you know, this is probably still gonna take me about like 12-13 hours to do, because I think I'm a slow braider, but oh well. So now I'm just going to spritz my hair with some water, wild growth hair oil. Lastly, spray some black vanilla leave-in conditioner from Carol's Daughter. Spray that on my hair, wrap it up, go to bed, wake up probably like 8 or 9 tomorrow morning and start. Wow, I would really look so cute with like starter locks. I look boyish, but like it's currently 10. I set my alarm for 9. And for some reason, I didn't hear it. But we up now, and we're gonna do our hair. This pre-stretched hair comes to like a nice ombre brown. And the color is Sombre 30, and it was only $3.99. I got 5 of these packs. Yep. What this is, what you call it, where to get it from, but my sister has this like little stand, and she just puts like loops of hair on each string, which I think makes the process go easier also. I literally have no idea where she got it from, but yeah, that's what we're gonna use. Just thought I'd let you all see like my hair, my length. So it's all the way down here, and this is like from a piece in the back. Yep, comes all the way down here. It's definitely time for a trim, but when I take the braids out, that's when I'll trim it. But yeah, my hair's not as long as it should be, but it's still pretty long, so take what we can get. It's like 10:45 at night, like a whole almost 12 hours later, and I'm literally only halfway done. What's nice is that I am doing these parts really small, and I'm making the braiding parts really small. So I've only used, a bag comes with 3 bundles of the hair like this. I've only used 4, about 5 packs, and I will not be needing all those, so I'll definitely have a good amount of hair left over. But yep, this is what they're looking like so far, and my fingers hurt. Maybe you'll take me seriously if I go like this. I've done another video already on how I install braids, and it's the same way. So I'm gonna take a piece of hair, and they're really small pieces. I'm gonna take some of my Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna put some on my root. This is the hair. I'm gonna take it the middle, in between these 2 fingers. At first I was talking, but I realized how confusing I sounded, so just watch, I guess. And if you're still confused, I have a couple other videos on how I did braids, and you can check those out. It's like right on my scalp, which I don't think is super bad. Like, it's not like dumb tight. Like, so I'm just gonna braid it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna take one side of the hair, split it in half, and join it to my real hair. So now I got 3 pieces, like 3 fake pieces, and then I'm just going to braid it down some more. Not all the way yet. And braid it down just a little bit more. So this is the piece with my fake hair, with my real hair in it. And I'm just gonna take some more of the gel, then slick it with the hair, and then I'm going to continue braiding. And now I'm just gonna continue braiding to the end. And what's nice is that this hair was already tapered, so it's gonna have a nice, end to it. Done. Psych. Finish in the morning, wake up probably around 9 if my alarm goes off this time. 9:20 a.m. And I still have this whole patch to go. I'm finally done. It's literally 1:30 the next day, and I'm finally done. I don't think I ever want to do things this small again because this joint took way too long, but I'll stand up and show you guys the result. This is the final look. I haven't dipped them in hot water, but I don't really feel like I need to. Like, they're already pretty, and the ends are not going to go anywhere because I done braided them so small to the end. But yeah, this is cute. I'm so cute. Thanks for watching.